first I want to start off by giving this a nice score. This is just to add some texture to your fish. Now notice I'm not cutting all the way through. This is just so that I can, when you're eating it, okay, the soy sauce will penetrate through the fish, through the flesh. Okay, we'll set that aside, like so. Set aside. It's so fatty, it's slipping off my hands. All the fat is melting from the heat of my hands. Okay, then we'll get into the tuna. Do this. And I'll lightly score this one as well. Okay, set that aside here. Let's make some nigiri. Now the goal here is to go against the grain. Okay. Okay, we'll put this on the side for now. Cut this block in half because I'll be making sashimi from this guy. Cut the skin off. Okay. Get some nice slices out of this. 4. This will be our sashimi. Okay. 3, 4, and 5. Set that at an angle right there. This piece aside. Go ahead and make my nigiri with this guy. Get a small piece of rice ball. Keep it nice and fluffy, aerated, not pressing too hard on it. Put it in the center. Press gently. Shape it. Turn it. And shape it once again. Okay. Same thing with the other guy. Okay. Sashimi, nigiri, and then last but not least, our salmon belly nigiri. Okay, let's take this aside. I'll redo that one. Make sure I have enough room on the plate. It's here. Okay, there's that. Okay, what we'll do is we'll turn this over like such. Right down like that. Okay, this can be served as a appetizer or a dinner if you wanted to. I have nigiri and I have sashimi here that we utilized out of just a couple of pieces of fish. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or leave a comment. If you guys have any questions or I messed up. Sorry.